Alright, part 2 of trying to run the Hyper MTX. The first time I came out here, it was broke, so we've made some improvements to it. Let me show you what we got after we roll that intro. Hello everyone, welcome back. That's right, so we did some repairs to here. If you remember, we had a problem with this bed bending and breaking back here. You can see it's quite beat up in that. So what I did is I took some ABS plastic, cut it to fit, heated it up, because that's, you know, the beauty with ABS, and molded it to fit. And that should give me a nice rigid fix fit there. And then I use shoe glue to hold it. And yes, it does fit. Now, another thing you guys might notice here is the ESC. Yes, it is a Spectrum. I came out here to use the truck and there was nothing. It wouldn't respond to anything. So I opened up the receiver. I took the ESC wire, put it into the servo spot just to see if it was a receiver issue. Still no response. I took my program card, put it into the that ESC, because it is a hobby wing that was in here. It wouldn't talk to the program card. All I had was like minuses in all the boxes. It wouldn't communicate. Even when I got it home and tried all kinds of other things, I could not get the ESC to work. So now we have a Spectrum. This is the 150, 160 amp. I think it's 150 amp. It's what came in the 6S Big Rock. This is actually the one out of it. If you guys remember those cars, they had the glitch with the ESC. So when I called them, they sent me a new ESC for warranty. So this is the original one out of my Big Rock. I did update the firmware before I put it in here. And now we are ready to go have a little fun with this one. I haven't had this out in a while. It's a cool RC. So let's get out here and run it. Oh man, dude, this thing's a freaking beast. Oh, that ESC. Whoa, man, it woke this thing up. I mean, that's the difference. That was just a basic little hobby wing ready to run. I mean, look, I'm barely on the throttle. Dude, wow. I mean, granted, I know you can say that, hey, the Spectrum is just a ready to run, but, you know, Arma wants, or whoever, you know, they want more power out of their ESCs. And they are a bit more expensive than these radio. Wow, this is a totally different beast now. Woo! I'm kind of glad the ESC died. Jeez, this thing is oh man, this is insane. Holy moly. Oh no. Well, I guess I'll be testing out my my body fix. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, the body pins do work. They do fit, even with all that plastic underneath. I don't even have the punch turned all the way up. It goes to like 9 and I have it on 7. Ooh. It still needs some shock tuning. It's not the best handling in the world, but I haven't run this thing in a minute. You know, so much stuff comes out. Jeez. I will say that this is the hardest car in the world to change out of ESC. 8 bolts here, I had to take the center diff out. 6 bolts here to take this metal plate that had the motor and the ESC. 4 bolts on each of these batteries. 6 bolts to take that plastic tower out right there. What's going on here? Why is this body like bulging there? What's going on? Huh. Oh, look, it creased. I love the RC, but the body's the biggest piece of crap. Yeah, so 6 screws, the whole tower comes off. 8 screws, 4 on each side to get the battery pieces off. 8 screws, take the ESC, or the center diff's got to come out. And then 6 screws in that whole metal plate with the motor and the ESC has to come out, because there's a plastic bracket and there's 4 screws on that bracket to hold the ESC, and you can't get to them. And you can't get to all the screws on that bracket without taking it out. Now, I don't know, maybe somebody else was smarter than me and got it done without doing all that, but it was not a easy task. But oh, I am so happy with the results. And yeah, we need to get out here in the sun, because it'll be a little bit warmer. God, remember I had the hardest time getting this thing to wheelie before? Even after I thickened the diff fluid, it did okay. But yeah, man, the weather turned pretty quick. It was like 75, 78 yesterday. Now it's like 50. This is an awesome RC, man. It's really hard to believe the ESC made that much of a difference. But, I mean, was this your basic ready to run? Oh. God, man, that's a freaking animal. I almost threw the hobby wing in here. I have a what, a Max 8. Ooh, I thought I was gonna hit that pole. I refuse to do that rocking to where it'll flip on its own. It's so hard on the drivetrain. Yeah, I think it was the Max 8 I was going to put in here, and then I realized the bullet connectors were way larger on the Max 8 than what's on this. So I looked, and I had that Spectrum one laying around, like I said, from the warranty. When I got the big rock, I was like driving it, and I was when, you know, at first I used to go to that BMX park, and I hit a jump, and it nosed down. At first I was like thinking like it was just me doing I just didn't take the jump right. But then you know, she'd be like this, and it'd be like, you'd hear that. So they contact Horizon, and they were like, oh wow, yeah, sent me a new ESC, and that ESC had the same, which then we found out, of course, it was a software issue. So there was nothing wrong with the ESC except for software. So I had it, and it worked out good. Oh man, dude, this thing freaking fire now. It definitely needs that big wheelie bar. This is insane. Oh wow, I'm glad I came out here, because man, this thing needs about the space. It needs the space. Oh man. Woo! Wow. Yeah, I gotta do a little shock tuning on this thing. I just haven't really gave it much thought as to if I need to thicken it or soften it. I just wow, man. Man, this is what it's about, man. Just come out here, have fun, enjoy the hobby. Don't matter what kind of car you got. Doesn't matter if you got $1,000 8S Creighton or you got $100 WL toy. Oh no. Think I need to lessen the brakes a little bit. They're only at 50, but they're a bit aggressive. Well, I'm glad I didn't land in that amount of ants, but it definitely pissed them off. They are out. I'm sure how y'all can see, but they're everywhere. They bite and they hurt. Try not to face the sun. Oh man, I'll tell you what, I am so happy with this. Oh man. Whoa. Well, I don't know what the hell I just did. Decided to bush hog through the Now, why didn't you get out when I was standing on the hill? I mean, you know, it's like you would expect a big performance gain in the ESC if you were like, if it had 120 amp. And you know, you were making it hot and the 150 just gave it more power. But I took a 150 out of here, put a 150 in, and wow, it's so much different, the power. I remember I thinking that center diff, and I still believe I had like a hard time getting it to wheelie. It definitely didn't do this. Dude, it's like, let's see if I can. Yeah, I got to turn the brakes down. So let's see. See, now that I'm not. Of course, I'm trying to show you, like, you gotta get it up, and then once you do, let's see, look, barely anything to keep the thing going. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. I don't want to make these videos too long. It's just me driving around, unless I had something more to talk about. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. I currently have the Mini Max on the bench. It's all tore apart, working on something. I'm not sure if the video, depends if I get the parts, if the video will come out, so I don't want to spoil what I'm working on, but it should make it the first Mini Max of its kind. Uh-oh. Oh, we in LVC. All right, I don't want to have to drive this thing back to the car. So I cannot believe how much better this thing is now with the new ESC. unfreaking believable. I am so happy. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the Hobao, the Hyper MTX here run. I'm blown away. I cannot believe how fast. I think I need to do another speed run and see if this thing's not faster than initially with this ES, because that is absolutely amazing. Well, like I said, man, this is the beauty of the hobby, you know. Just come out here, have fun, unwind, get a smile on your face. That's what I love. That's why I do the channel, man. It makes me come out here, film content. It makes me come out here, enjoy the hobby, and I'm sharing this with you. And hopefully, you guys will come out, get an RC if you don't have one, or take your RC out. Come out here, have a little fun, man, because that's what it's about. Relaxation, fun, having a smile on your face. Everyone, greatly appreciate the support. I have you coupons, codes down below if you check out the video description. Also, if you want to buy cars, I have some affiliate links through that, and Amazon. If you shop Amazon, use my store as your homepage, and it helps me out to buy these things. So it's greatly appreciated. Everyone, hope you enjoy watching the Hyper MTX. Maybe you learned something if you have one about securing the back here, because that looks pretty good. We're just gonna have to do something about fixing up here, but that, yeah, that's solid now. I'm happy, and it's running like a champ. Woo! Oh man. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. See you on next one.